morning to all of viewers watching Republic TV. I'm Kriti Mehta. Now, viewers, in a brazen attack, the Tamil Nadu chief of the Bahujan Samaj Party was hacked to death by 6 bite-bone men near his house in Chennai on Friday. According to the police, 8 individuals have been taken under custody in connection with the attack. The 6 men attacked Armstrong when he was having a discussion with a few party functionaries near his house in the city's Sembium area and then fled. Meanwhile, massive protests have erupted over the murder of the BJP Neta, and the BJP has also condemned the incident, training guns on the Congress and the ruling DMK. Let me cut across to my colleague Aneri, who's joining us live on the story. Aneri, a very good morning to you. First of all, talk to us if the motive of the murder has been ascertained so far.
Well, what I'm seeing is that a shocking incident which has now been reported in Chennai, where we see that the Tamil Nadu BSP chief has now hacked to death, brutally murdered by some 8 people there when he was having a meeting with a few of his party workers right outside his residence. But then what we see is that a gang of 8 people come there, and with a sharp weapon he was attacked, and he was brutally attacked by a gang of people there, and then he was immediately shifted to the hospital. But then what doctor says that he was brought dead is what the doctors say, because as you can see in the CCTV visuals also how he was attacked. And also at the same time what we have been seeing is that about 8 suspects have been taken in custody in connection with this particular case. And also at the same time, the Tamil Nadu BJP chief, Annamalai, has now condemned the attack, and also he has launched a scaling attack on the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, saying that under the DMK regime, we have been seeing such sort of attacks, and he condemns this attack and also demands a thorough investigation into this particular murder which has taken place of the BSP chief of Tamil Nadu. Well, protests have erupted where we see that supporters of the BSP and also a few other people have come at the hospital where the BSP chief's body has been kept in mortuary at the hospital. So people have now started staging protests against the murder of the Tamil Nadu BSP chief there.
All right, Aneri. Now, of course, this murder also comes in the backdrop of a Shiv Sena Neta also been attacked in Punjab. Of course, the situation in Bengal also remains grim. So the opposition-ruled states are seeing a massive law and order crisis. As far as this case is concerned, do we have any information on the people arrested in connection to the case?
Well, what we have been seeing is that there are now near about 8 people who have been arrested by the police officials. They are said to be the suspects in this case. The case has already been registered under various sections of and also what police officials say is that they are investigating the matter. The reason behind, the motive behind the murder is not yet known, is what the police say. And also at the same time, a shocking incident where you can see that how a person, a BSP chief of Tamil Nadu, was brutally attacked when he right outside his residence when he was having a meeting with few of the locals there. And now, as you can see in the visuals also, there has been a protest which has erupted at the hospital. People are trying to break the barricades and go inside, but we have to wait and watch how it turns out to be and what action will be taken up, and what sort of statement comes in from the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister as well, because opposition parties are slamming the DMK and also the DMK government in the state.
Right. Thanks for giving us your information, Aneri. But we are now showing the viewers the live visuals of the protests that have broken out in Tamil Nadu over the murder of BSP Tamil Nadu President K. Armstrong. His body has been kept in Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital mortuary. BSP workers are holding massive protests outside the hospital You can see a massive showdown. There's a heavy police deployment as well, and in fact, even the BJP has now trained guns on the Congress and the DMK. Of course, we will continue to track how was the BSP Neta attacked and killed, and what really was the motive of the murder. In fact, Republic has also accessed exclusive CCTV video of the incident. Aneri, talk to us about what the CCTV visuals are also showing our viewers. Of course, we will be breaking those in a short while, but what really has been cemented from the video so far?
CCTV, which very clearly shows that how a gang of people came there. Well, this is right outside the Armstrong's residence, K. Armstrong's residence, where he was having a meeting with few of the locals there. And when suddenly a group of people came there, started attacking him with the weapons, is what we are being told. What sort of weapons those are, we are yet to get a confirmation on that. But yes, what we are being told is that he was attacked with few weapons, and he immediately started suffering very badly with he received bleeding injuries, and then with the local people there around brought him to the hospital. But then the attack was so brutal that he died on the spot itself, is what, well, doctors say that he was brought dead to the hospital. But yes, now we'll have to wait and watch what the police officials say in this matter, and what sort of investigation will be taken up is also yet to be known. And however, case has been booked. 8 suspects have been taken in custody. But now, the BSP, the BJP have been demanding justice. As you can see in the visuals also, how there has been a massive protest which has now erupted in Chennai, where we see that just after, hours after Tamil Nadu BSP chief Armstrong was brutally murdered by few suspects there. What would be the reason is not yet known.